Ever since Tesla introduced ambient lights on the new 2024 Model 3 Highland, trust me, every Tesla owner from the previous year models, including myself, has wanted ambient lights on their Tesla. We have been sent an ambient lighting kit for our Model 3 by a company called Yeslak. Head out to their website to check out all the accessories available for your Tesla model. In this video, we will be showing the installation process of the ambient light kit, so please make sure to watch until the end. Let's see what we get with the box. Installation video QR code, central console LED, dashboard LED, wiring harness, charging pad LED, power supply control box, and some installation tools. Starting with the dashboard LED, there is a special cutout between the dashboard and the air vent where the LED strip can easily fit in. Using the provided crowbar, you can easily slide the dashboard LED strip in the cutout. You might need a bit of practice at first, but overall the process is very simple. Insert the black part inside the cutout so that the actual LED faces outside. You can start from the passenger side all the way up to the driver's side. Then it's all about hiding the cable between the cutouts. Make use of the provided crowbar. With some practice, you should be able to do it as shown in the video. Run the cable through the central console until it reaches the rear air vent. The next step is installing the charging pad LED, which comes with a 3M adhesive tape. Simply stick the LED on top of the charging pad inside the cutout as shown in the video, making sure that the LED side is facing towards you. Then run the cable through the cutouts, this time on the opposite side of the central console all the way up to the rear air vent. Then we move on to the installation of the central console lighting, which is a little different than the dashboard and charging pad LEDs. Start by installing it on one side of the central console near the armrest as shown in the video all the way up to the other side. Then it's all about connecting the wires to the power supply, for which you will have to take off the rear air vent and pry this plastic box out to access the main power supply to the rear air vent. Use the wiring harness extender provided with the package to connect all the LED lights to the control box supplied. Move this connector and the cable to the upper side of the rear air vent. Once that's done, close the lower box as shown in the video. Then use the control box to connect all the LED wires. Use the extender provided to connect the central console lighting. Use the QR code on the control box to download the app. It could take some practice to finally get used to the app as the UI is not that friendly, but you should be able to get the lights working. Then do some cable management before reconnecting the rear air vent power supply and closing it. And that's the final jigsaw in the puzzle. The end result looks great, especially the dashboard LED where the light actually hits the surface and you see a thicker light. There are a lot of customizations you can do with the app, which just takes a bit of time to understand the settings. I basically just like to set a kind of gradient setting for all the lights and forget about the rest. But overall, it's a great addition to our car, especially while driving at night. It gives a nicer feeling with the ambient lighting. If you would also like to order one for yourself, click on the link in the description below. They have a wider range of Tesla accessories and you can also get 20% off using our discount code. That's all for today. We hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.